Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a SIM router. First, carefully insert your active SIM card into the router's designated slot. Next, connect the router to a power source using the provided adapter. Allow a few moments for the device to power on and for the indicator lights to stabilize, confirming it's ready to establish a network connection. This initial step is crucial for a smooth setup. Now that your router is powered on, it's time to connect your devices. Look for the Wi-Fi network name, also known as the SSID, and the password printed on a label on your router. Use these details to connect your smartphone, laptop, or tablet wirelessly. For a more stable connection, you can also use an Ethernet cable to directly link a device to one of the router's LAN ports. To customize your network, open a web browser and type in the router's default IP address, which is commonly 192.168.0.1. You'll then be prompted to log in using the default username and password, often admin for both. Once inside, it's highly recommended to change your Wi-Fi network name and password to something unique and secure. This protects your network from unauthorized access. For the best performance, position your SIM router in a central, open area of your home to ensure optimal signal distribution. Regularly check for and install any available firmware updates, as these can significantly improve stability and introduce new features. Finally, keep an eye on your data usage through the router's interface to manage your plan effectively and avoid unexpected overage charges. Enjoy your reliable internet.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.